Okay, so today's video is going to be disassembling a Skewb, having a look inside it, because that looks quite interesting actually, and trying to reassemble it. That core looks quite good, I'm not gonna lie. Well, that's not good, but it's not like a 3x3 core at all. Interesting. Okay, so first I need to take this thing apart. This piece isn't coming off. Not sure why. That center should come off. Oh, okay. So there's like these main 4 corners here. So let me just put that on the side for a minute. Let me just get all the centers. Wait, hang on a minute. Oh, the green one, look. So they're all the centers. These are other pieces, or the corners, and then this is like the core. Yeah, so that's what it looks like on the inside. Well, when that's what all the pieces look like. So you've got 5 regular corners. Yeah. And then you've got the center with 4 corners attached to it, which is interesting. And then you've got 6 center caps over there. Okay, so let's get to work. First of all, let's take the white center cap and let's find where that should go. Stick there. Yeah. Wait, hang on. Wait, the centers, there's 2 different styles. There's like this small hook and the big hook with the gap here. Which is which? And I think, yeah, you see, these hook onto the one with the gap, whereas these just go into the other one. Where did that piece go? Okay. So the small one, there we go. Oh no, is that correct? Oh, I'm not even putting it in the right place. Where does this go? This is, there we go. Actually, ooh, 200 IQ. Do this. I'm sorry if you can't see it. Put it in the wrong place. That's great. You see, I've no experience with disassembling and reassembling cubes. I've never done it before. So like, this is a whole new area of cubing for me. What? I really don't know. I really don't know what to do. Wait, what's this? Ah! Oh, what's this? Wait, no. That shouldn't... What? Okay, let me think off camera for a minute. Okay, literally 8 seconds later, I figured out that it's actually these green parts that hook on. Do you see? So white's on the bottom, hook it on, and put that on the table. So now I've got this side, which I can take and hook it on. And you've got to trust me here, but this feels fine. So let's take another piece, make sure it's in the right place. So if white's on the bottom, it should be there. And hook it on like there. Yeah, you see here, instead of green, it's like this massive white thing. So the white thing hooks on. Where is my other white piece? There. Yes, this is the right piece. And hook it on, and hopefully this doesn't... Wait. Why is that orange and not white? Oh, I don't understand. Why? That helps. But you know what I mean. And there we go. Oh, I've got a twisted corner. Is that possibly why? No. And there we go. And that is the white part. Okay, so I've changed the angle of my camera a bit, so it's not obstructing me too much. So now, wait, why is the video looking orange a bit? Please ignore that. I don't know why the camera's looking a bit orange. But anyway, so now let's go on to the green, because that's what I'm looking at right now. And I think I just pulled that up a bit, actually. So can this like this can like slouch a bit. Like these main pieces, they can slouch a bit. Not quite sure why, but let's just ignore it and move on. Oh, rip. Actually, this is a good idea to test a tactic where, what if I like hook it on first? It's like one of these pieces. Why aren't you hooking? There we go. And then just hook it on to the white center. Sorry if you can't see anything. I'll show you the outcome in a minute. But I think just with a bit of pushing, that has not worked. Because the white has just disassembled itself. That's great. Alright, I'll be back when I reassemble the white. Okay, the white is reassembled, so now we're going to go on to the blue. Just see if that does anything for whatever reason. But last time I tried the tactic of trying to take out this piece and hook it onto it. Why don't I just use the piece that hasn't been used already? So, there we go. And see if I can do anything by doing this. And I can already see that I've messed up everything. Yep. Second time this video. Okay, while off camera, I also did a bit of experimenting. And I realised if I put on the yellow center cap here. And wait, is that? No, that's not firm. Hang on. And just take this piece. Oh, wow. Wow. And wait, where do you go? Okay. Now, put this on properly. Okay, and I've just realised the yellow centre cap is the wrong way. I'm never going to be able to do that properly. Now I've hooked that... Oh, okay, no I haven't. Never mind. Now, let me hook that on. Yes, yes. I can't tell you how much that hurt my fingers. Now you can see here, all I need to do is put in the blue centre cap. Okay, now I also need to put like this piece back in. But is that perhaps a bit easier? Perhaps if I put this in the right way. I don't mind if one piece goes flying, because I can fix that. Okay. I said one piece, not all four of you, guys. Great stuff. Great stuff. I'm actually quite decent at reassembling this now. At reassembling the white part. Sorry you can't see much. As I said, I'll show you the outcome. Yep, this has got white. Okay. So now let's try it again. This time you're going green apparently. Wait, no, wait. I'm just gonna give this strategy one last try. Where it's just hook the center on first. That piece has gone flying. Oh, has it worked? Has it worked? It might have actually. It has worked. It's worked. It's worked. Look at that. I know this piece is going to fall because it's not attached to anything. But I've just got to put this piece back in. So actually, I'm going to take out that piece because the center's already in. It looks very awkward though. It looks like everything's so just jam-packed, kind of. There we go. Can you see that? And so, let's put this white piece back in. Okay. Hope you can see that piece there. And now I can... Wait, let's try putting in the orange center. Actually. Wait, which piece is this? This is okay, this is a gap hook on there. So it goes like this. Oh no, don't break everything, don't break everything. Squeeze it in, squeeze it in. That didn't work. It's broken it. So I'll be right back, Okay, so everything's back to normal, well, how it was before. So I realised it's just going to be the same thing, isn't it? So now I'm just going to put a time lapse on. Enjoy! Ah. Okay, I'll rebuild it and continue with the timeline. Let's do a bit of experimentation. First of all, I'm going to try putting the center cap on first. Okay. And then, can I just shove the corners in? I think so. This looks so weird, just everything's solved, but just missing corner here. Yes! Oh! I reassembled a Skewb. I really got into a rhythm at the end. Like when I was putting in the centers, I got into a really nice rhythm, and as you probably saw in the time lapse, I was able to do everything quite quickly. So if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you like and subscribe. Goodbye.